Here's what to expect when receiving a pre-burned screen from Norcal. You'll want to be careful when you're opening the box as to not damage the screen. All of our screens come pre-taped, and if you have a multiple color job, we leave the registration marks untaped so you can register your print job. Our pre-burn screen service is 24 hours from when your artwork is ready to go. We have a shipping map on our website. All right, let's go get this on press and do a couple prints. The awesome thing about our pre-burns is that they're ready to go right from the start, already taped up and everything. So get this centered up. Alright, there we have a printed shirt from our pre-burn service. I was able to get right to printing with the screens that were ready to go.